In a bouquet of flowers, there are 7 daisies and 17 roses. Write the ratio of daisies to roses in 3 different ways. Number 2, which ratio is equivalent to 4/7 with greater terms? A, 7/10, B, 21/12, C, 12/21, 7, or D, 7/4. Number 3, an airplane on autopilot took 5 hours to travel 3,475 kilometers. What is the unit rate for kilometers per hour? Number 4, what is the unit rate for meters per second if a car travels 374 meters in 17 seconds? Number 5, a package of 5 pairs of insulated gloves costs $29.45. What is the unit price of the pair of gloves? Number 6, you want to buy some nice, Number 6, you want to buy some rice. A 7-ounce package costs $2.59. A 12-ounce package costs $4.56. An 18-ounce package costs $6.30. Which package is the best buy? A, the 7-ounce package for $2.59. B, the 12-ounce package for $4.56. Or C, the 18-ounce package for $6.30. Number 7, population density is the number of people per unit of area. The population density of a certain region is 60 people per square kilometer. If the region covers 23 square kilometers, what is the population of the region? 8. A store sells 18 cans of soup for $15. How much would it cost you to buy 7 cans of soup? 9. Harry is bundling magazines to recycle. He notices that 4 magazines weigh 3/8 of a pound in all, and that the magazines all weigh the same amount. What is the unit rate for pounds per magazine? Number 10. Leo reads 13 pages in 1/3 of an hour. What is the unit rate for pages per hour? Number 11. Convert 16 yards to feet. Use the rate suggested by the equation 3 equals 1 yard. 3 feet equals 1 yard. Number 12. Convert 10 pints to quarts. Use the rate suggested by the equation 1 quart equals 2 pints. Number 13. Convert 13 inches to centimeters. Use the rate or conversion factor 2.54 centimeters to 1 inch. Number 14. Convert 33 centimeters to inches. Use the rate or conversion factor 1 inch to 2.54 centimeters. Round to the nearest whole number as needed. Number 15. A school custodian discovered a leak in a water pipe. The custodian found that 1,920 fluid ounces of water had leaked out. How many gallons of water had leaked out? Use the conversion factor 1 gallon for 1 to 128 fluid ounces.